Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. We've just wanted to show you, it's kind of installing, it's another new product from Kaon, or fairly new. This is a GX vehicle, so it's got the GX cargo barrier. When we installed that, we took the handles away because we don't need them, probably saves a little bit more space. Basically for the next product, and the next product is the storage shelf here. And I haven't installed one before, it's brand new. I'm assuming that these handle brackets get replaced with the ones that came with the thing, giving you those extra mounting points at my hand at the back end there, otherwise it looks the same. And then there's a little bag of whoops, sorry about that, a little bag of nuts and bolts to, I'll try and hold it up and show you where I think it might go. Right, so I think that's going to sit about there, right, and those nuts and bolts will go through those holes there, you know, they will line up with the cargo barrier that's already there, and then you'll have the support from the handles, and you've just got that extra storage area up here. I'll show you once it's all done. We're going to put that up. We've done another video showing you how to install this, how easy that is, so we're not going to do it again. So it's a bit of a tell you about this product, and I'll show you what it looks like once it's in. We'll get that done. Should only take us about 5 or 10 minutes. Inspected those handle mount brackets, swapped over at each side perfectly. Now let's get the rest of it up there. So yeah, another impressive product from Kaon. Australian made and owned, so that's always a bonus, right? And Kaon, people say Kaon, that's Kaon right there. So a couple of things this does, it allows you to be able to, there's a lot of wasted space. When you fill up the back of the vehicle, you know, if you've got drawers, you really got to think about how you set up your drawers and your fridges and what sorts of things you put in the back here. But there's all this space up the top that's not utilised. And from about, you know, I'm up at sort of, there you can see that's the level of the tray. There's only, at this end, there's only, you know, probably 2 or 3 inches, but see the roof, it kind of goes, it goes up. So there's a whole lot of space up here really. Just, you can jam things like pillows, jackets, all your sort of soft, I mean, it's called a soft luggage shelf, I suppose that's what it is. It's nice and solid really. You know, of course I can flex it if you bang it hard enough. This probably adds a bit of strength to the cargo barrier itself as well, which is called a light cargo barrier, but there's nothing light about it. I mean, nothing's really going to go through that, you know, so it's quite solid. A little bit fiddly to line it all up, obviously, because you've got to line up some holes, you know, over here at this side and get these 4 bolts in, but really easy, just a little bit fiddly lining it up. Piece of cake, another awesome idea and product from Kaon. Guys, thanks for watching.